How to delete account Cash App, or in other words, how to delete your Cash App account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I'll just show you some of the ways on how you can delete your Cash App account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove or delete your Cash App account and remove your data from it, open the Cash App on your iOS or Android device. The app icon is green with the white dollar sign. If you have any money in your account first, be sure to transfer it to your bank before you continue. You can do this by tapping the banking icon, which looks like a house or a bank in the bottom left corner, then tapping on the option called Cash Out. And if you have any stocks or Bitcoin, you need to sell them off before you can close your account. So just tap on the Cash Out button, tap on the account icon, which looks like the silhouette of a person in a circle in the upper right corner as well. Just go to the option called Support, and once you go to Support, at the bottom select the option called Something Else, and on the next specific page scroll to the bottom and select the option labeled as Account Settings. Now in the Account Settings menu, scroll to the option labeled Close My Cash App Account toward the bottom of the list. Now you just have to tap on the Confirm button. This will sign you out of your Cash App. A text or email confirmation will be sent to you confirming that you've unlinked your account. Now make sure you get this email before you delete the application, and you'll just tap on the Confirm button. Now you can now delete your Cash App from your device, return to your home screen, and follow the steps if you want to delete the app as well. And that's all it takes to delete your Cash App account. It's really nothing difficult. You just have to make sure to confirm the email or phone as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.